Welcome to my crochet tutorial. Today I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful flower keychain, a perfect handmade accessory for bags, purses, or gifts. This project is beginner-friendly, fun, and super quick to make. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new crochet idea. Now, let's get started. Start with a magic ring and make 6 single crochets SC inside the ring. Pull the ring tight to close. Tip: if you're new to the magic ring, wrap the yarn loosely to make it easier to adjust later. In round 2, we'll increase each stitch by making 2 single crochets SC in each stitch from the previous round. You should now have 12 stitches in total. Great job! The flower center is complete. Now let's move on to the petals. For round 3, we'll begin forming the petals. Repeat this pattern 6 times, 4 chains, CH2, treble, crochet clusters, TR cluster, 2 more treble crochet clusters, 4 chains, CH again. This creates 1 petal. Continue around to form all 6 petals. Tip: keep your stitches loose for a fuller petal shape. Now let's add more dimension by changing yarn color. For each petal, repeat 5 chains, CH, 4 single crochets, SC, across the petal. 5 chains, CH, again repeat this 6 times to outline the petals beautifully. Tip: switching colors gives a vibrant contrast. Experiment with different combinations. Look at that! Your crochet flower is almost done. You're doing amazing. Now let's make the hanging cord to turn this into a keychain. For the keychain loop, simply chain 65, CH, and fasten off. Attach it securely to the back of the flower using a yarn needle. Now connect your keyring or clasp and you're all set. Double check all stitches, trim any excess yarn, and make sure the keychain is securely attached. If needed, use a little hot glue for extra durability. And that's it. You now have a beautiful crochet flower keychain. Congratulations, you did it. I hope you enjoyed this crochet hair keychain tutorial. If you love this project, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Tag me in your creations. I'd love to see them. See you in the next crochet tutorial. Happy crocheting!